Mesro Bebre, Madaruma on say for the good of the country, not for any individual or party. But it is just to find a solution to how we are suffering now as a country. The point is that Abaya also say, you know, ne Gidi or Mayanya wonimu, wonen sembia okekaye, a former good year to a into no nekwaso, a bre obetimedia sia no quine. And untina Yenya kukudro say we can compare 8 months to 8 years because the government in opposition then made us feel and believe that the key to making sure say a former good year to a into no nekwaso, it shouldn't take more than 2 weeks. It shouldn't. That it shouldn't. And also the Wadaroma Ebiana baby out in on we can play all those voices for you. In fact, we have decided to declare from today that the government should declare a state of emergency. We have failed as a country. And
we have not failed.
We have failed as a country at this point.
Not failed.
Because
we have not failed. And you see, the fight against galamsey, it's not a government. It's not a government of Ghana effort. This is why I'm saying that we appreciate the work that you guys are doing for us. But we are also, which is why we are also, as much as possible, being transparent with you. We give you the update as we go along, so that you see where we are. It
it has always been so. In fact, to the extent that Omanhene Kwabena Asante or the presidency better online. So it has been a collective responsibility. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, is a national emergency. It tells you how serious the situation is getting. Now we have even a former person at PRS now at the Jubilee House, Nana Jantuamu interactions or say the next 5 years, the probability say Ghana be currency high. Number 2, there were doctor for more culture say ye near ye the I contaminated. In fact, Ghana water for quite almost had an additional idea be a man's unity and a hoarding was right. It me could the Pediano and a man should such as say. We cannot continue to say it's just 8 months. It me and compare 8 months. In solving a national problem, we are not bothered about our past mistakes. We are bothered about what we can do to improve on the weaknesses and the mistakes that we did previously. That's why Erastus say, "Yentie," because say Erastus a key, say me a key, we a key. Now say NDC for need to galamsey. How do we solve the problem? NDC for say NDC for need to galamsey. You know that illegal mine 99% a NDC for just like the NPP did it. So we can compare the 8 months to 8 years because the push and the vim this government wanted to push it off illegal mining. And you been a more demonstrating. As we are speaking, say Erastus catch them say, "Enipe kute tuo ejina adia mampeyin say a national emergency." I don't think that this should be our approach. I don't think so. So I hope I see my any party coloration. Problems to say. So we should admit at this point that with what is going on, with what we are seeing, with what we are experiencing, to the extent that anopai takwa jum is that correct? Takwa jum your tutu market na see your tutu too good. So it cannot be the normal approach again. In fact, Honorable Kujota Black was some 3 weeks back after the demise of our beloved people because a decision that has been taken by cabinet to be led by our president is not going to be the normal approach again. From that time up to this time, what have we seen? People are rather getting the courage to still go and mine. Now you're NDC, when you're affiliated to NDC, when you network with NDC, who born dog. So let's admit that our approach has failed us. Erastus, the last comment. Now, last comment. Now, if you back to studio, Pacho. I'm a patron.
Okay. First of all, I want to say thank you.